Most Pinoy pride. Hi, Dash. Oh my gosh. May buhok ako today. Hindi lang 3 strands.
Mas mahaba yung buhok mo sa akin.
I know. Ang gulo-gulo. Na ano kasi ako, baka magulo. Feeling ko kasi magulo siya sa likod ba. Yun ang fear ko. We're here at Canadian Brew House. Wow, that's a big nacho. And chicken wings. And some fish and chips. Oh my gosh, the dedication and effort brought to you by President's Choice. And this is our makeshift tripod. We're really determined to get this TikTok done. We can put it here on top.